isn't it?
Yes, that's a whistle.
Door?
Yeah.
Yes, that's a whistle room.
What's the name?
Becky? Yes, it said Becky.
Did you say Becky?
Taught?
Hello?
Do you know any more of our names?
Do you know what he just said? You know what taught is?
Who?
Taught? Did he say taught?
Is that like the talk?
Taught in German is dad.
Is what?
Dad.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Did you just say Becky? Can you say it again?
Can you say somebody else's name?
Someone said go for it. Her name.
Her name. What is her name?
Can I whistle one more time?
No.
Okay, you don't want me to, I won't do it.
Ralph? Is your name Ralph?
You're up.
You're up. You're up. We're up for what?
Kidding.
I said killing.
Did you say killing?
No, we're not here to hurt anybody.
And we don't want to be hurt either.
We're just here to visit.
Be quick.
Be something.
Be quick.
Okay. Do you want us to leave?
Instead of.
Do you want to leave? Do you want us to leave this area?
Teddy Bridge.
I don't understand. No. I don't understand what it's saying.